Hello and welcome. This is Today in the News. Here are the highlights. Amotekun Operatives parade 45 criminals for different offenses. NDLEA busts and dismantles two major clandestine laboratories in Lagos and Anambra State. President Buhari says Nigeria needs more international collaboration to tackle insecurity. And Speaker of the United States House of Representatives Nancy Pelosi arrives Taiwan on a visit that enrages China, which claims the self-governing island as its own territory. Operatives of the Ondo State Command of Amotekun Corps have paraded 45 criminals for different offenses. The suspects were arrested for different offenses, ranging from kidnapping to armed robbery, illegal possession of firearms, and rape. Among them is a 6-member gang that specializes in kidnapping in Ore area of the state. The state commander of Amotekun Corps, Adetunji Adeleye, said the suspects normally hypnotized their victims before kidnapping. 2 suspects who attempted to kidnap a businesswoman in Akoko area of the state were also paraded. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency, NDLEA, has busted and dismantled 2 major clandestine laboratories in Lagos and Anambra State where dangerous illicit drug, crystal methamphetamine called Nkurumiri in local parlance, were produced for distribution across Nigeria and exported outside. Chairman, Chief Executive Officer NDLEA, Brigadier General Mohammed Buba Marwa, retired, disclosed this on Tuesday, 2nd August 2022, when he addressed the media on the development. He said following the outbreak of crystal methamphetamine abuse in the last quarter of 2021, predominantly in the southeast, and the cry for help from many communities in the region because of the devastating effects the distribution and abuse of the dangerous stimulant drug were having on their youth and others. The agency deployed all available assets to find the primary source of manufacturing of the drug in Nigeria and arrest the barons behind it. Marwa said while efforts in the past 7 months against the cartel behind the methamphetamine scourge have led to the arrest of 4 kingpins and a cook. President Muhammadu Buhari says Nigeria will need more international collaboration to tackle insecurity in the country, and he also commended the collective efforts of nations towards tackling security challenges across the globe and within Nigeria. The president said this when he received letters of credence of Canadian High Commissioner to Nigeria Ambassador James Kingston Christophe and Ambassador of Mexico to Nigeria, Juan Alfred Miranda Ortiz. The president blamed the political instability in Libya for the rise of terrorism in the Sahel and also the threat to the sustenance of democracy in the West and Central Africa regions. Nancy Pelosi, Speaker of the United States House of Representatives, has arrived in Taiwan on a visit that has enraged China, which claims the self-governing island as its own territory. Pelosi's arrival in Taipei late on Tuesday risks triggering a major crisis between China and the United States, which doesn't officially recognize Taiwan as an independent state but is still required by U.S. law to provide its government with the means to defend itself. China have threatened serious consequences if Pelosi, the highest-ranking U.S. official to travel to Taiwan in 25 years, went ahead with her visit.